Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design, and I'm excited to share with you the reveal of my next kit for the Button Farm Club. This is the kit for September, and I have to tell you, it's Halloween, and Halloween is always super fun, and wait till you see what we're going to do. I think you're going to love it. This month, we're going to be working with Authentique Paper's fabulous Masquerade Collection. This is such a clever collection, and it has images that will work for adults and for kids as well, but it's not cutesy. It's just perfectly spooky. So you're going to get a good selection of the 12 by 12 papers, including the wonderful die cut elements sheet, and then you're going to get one each of each paper in the collection, but you're going to get 3 of Masquerade 7, and you'll see why in a minute. Here's the kid images, so vintage and perfect, and then look how clever Masquerade. I love these grown-up images, just really wonderful. You're also going to get 2 sheets of Spectrum Orange Blossom and 2 sheets of Spectrum Blackjack, because we're making a printer's tray. I am so excited. This is a wood printer's tray. We're going to make a little folio that fits in the big boxes, and then wait till you see what I have to put in the little boxes. Look at these adorable little pumpkins. I'm just so excited. I can't wait to get started. And then we have these fabulous little glass bottles. There are 7 of these, so wonderful. And then we have these 2 adorable jack-o'-lantern charms. And we're going to get some glitter brads. Ooh, I love these. You're going to get a package of 49 and Market flowers. You're going to get these adorable Halloween novelty buttons from Buttons Galore. There's everything in here, witches, hats, spiders, cauldrons, so cute. You're going to get 18 inches of this fabulous polka dot ribbon, and we're going to get 2 yards of black burlap string. So that is what comes in your kit. You also get a PDF of a written guide with measurements and basic steps, and links to a private video where we build this wonderful kit together. So would you like to see what we're going to make with all those beautiful Halloween supplies I just showed you? It's home decor this month. I love making home decor that doubles as a memory keeping album. And this is a 12 by 12 printer's tray that we have set up as home decor, but there's also a little mini album in it, which is so fun. Everything from the pumpkins to poison bottles, happy little jack-o'-lanterns, masks, which how perfect is that for 2020? Beautiful flowers, spiders in bottles. There's room in here for a 4x4 framed photo that you can just stand, because this is fairly deep. This is about 2 inches deep. And then banners, little frogs and potions and all kinds of stuff. But the main thing is this wonderful 5x5 folio with a string closure. You're going to learn how to make the base in the tutorial that comes with the kit. And this is an accordion folio. Look at this. Amazing. I think you can get 15 photos in here, maybe 16. Anyway, it's a lot. And there's all kinds of little tip-in pages and flap pages and pocket pages. It's a really fun, interactive little album, all decorated beautifully with the Authentique Masquerade Collection. So a great place to put all your Halloween photos of your favorite ghouls and goblins, and write down your memories of this most unusual Halloween. And then this fits right in the box, and you can pull this out from year to year. You can add 1 photo a year or 2 photos a year, and you can do your memory keeping. I've left a wonderful little, I'll show you how to make these little glue web cobwebs that kind of creep it up a little bit, but not too creepy. And In the kit, you're going to get all the supplies, plus a written guide, plus links to a private tutorial where we actually build this together. This one's going to sell out fast, guys. It's a very limited edition. So if you think you might want it, you need to jump on it because it's not going to be there long. Anyway, thanks so much, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design, for the Button Farm Club. And now I'm going to go get my craft on. Happy Halloween.